Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Slime time.
We're about to make slime with the girls. But first I'm making DIY slime. So let's put this over here on the
We
side.
gotta make 3 cups of boop boop boop.
Baby, you're not even in it.
Hold up,
Okay,
I gotta get this. I think we need a bigger bowl.
How many do you need of that in there?
3 of these.
Damn. No, you gotta wait. No, don't put it in your mouth. We're gonna use this big old thing. So it's too small, so yeah. Just pour right there.
No.
You know what? I want to give them a little bit, so.
Alright, now it says we need food coloring, which we don't got.
Wait, oh no, we didn't buy
We
it.
ain't got no food coloring.
There's no food coloring, so we're not gonna add food coloring.
A half a cup glue. This is the directions we're going by. We ain't
Yeah,
never
I
made
will.
slime.
I'm hoping that comes out.
Squeeze.
I think you should put it on the thing. Oh shit, I thought you were like.
Don't eat glue. I don't eat glue.
Look at Liana. Mama, hold on. I didn't put glue in there.
Yeah, it needs this whole thing.
Yeah, might as well. There's nothing to mix it. Oh, we're just gonna use this.
Let
We can.
me see this thing.
What, babe?
Try and make it up.
Not yet. We can't mix it up.
You can
yet,
mix it up
silly
yourself,
girl.
Mama.
I'm trying to make it up. Hey, booty. Try and make it open. Go.
No. Baby girl, hold on.
You should probably get the camera and put it above so they can see it.
I'm trying. I can't.
I saw it.
Okay. You put water in there?
No.
You just squeeze
No
it,
water.
Miley.
No water. No water. No water. Here, mommy, can you keep squeezing this out until it's all done? It says half a tablespoon of baking soda. Let me get half a tablespoon.
Ooh, careful.
You take a teaspoon. Scoop this little half. No, baby,
Mama,
what are you doing?
Look
Not
at,
like this,
listen,
mommy. Look
baby,
at like
listen.
this.
Look
You
at,
take a little bit of this.
and put it in here, okay? Not on here. Not on this one. That one was just like, I don't know. Put it in there.
Put it in there. Don't mix it. What are you doing, mama? Not yet, baby. You just gotta put it in there right now.
Just put it in there. Oh. No, you gotta listen. Because if you do it your way, it's not gonna come out right, and it's not gonna come out all slimy.
You know, we got the saline.
Grandma, come.
Grandma's busy, Mama. can start mixing it, baby. So I feel like. That should be enough.
I feel like we're missing an ingredient.
Like what? Just the color and that's it. But we don't have like...
Check up in the thing.
I was like, your mom's paint. You think we could use like the paint?
Hold on, Mama. Use your hands. Start getting there, mixing it up with
Go
your
ahead,
hands.
Mama. Put your hand in there.
No, you gotta use your whole hands, Mama. Mix it up like this, okay?
Go ahead, Eliana. Put your hand in there, baby. You're fine.
Whoa, slime.
Baby, there's scissors right here.
Whoa, slime.
I want to touch it. Whoa, look it. Show them, baby.
Don't put too much, just a little bit, baby, because this was only a little bit of amount.
I know, there's like barely any in there. That's what I'm trying
Alright,
to
that's what it did right there, cause less tablespoons of that, and then
You gonna mix that in here? So it's like... I put it on her hair next to it. Look at Liana. Okay, the only thing that we didn't have, it was food coloring. We're gonna try to put, we're gonna try to put on paint. You wanna get it and put it on this one to see how it comes out? Oh, you wanna get, get the baby, but. So this is what we use. This is kind of glue we use, you guys. And then we use baking soda. Got this one.
don't make too much of a mess, Mama.
Mama, look it. Put it right here, okay? Like in here, okay? Because if you drop it on the floor, it's gonna go on the it's gonna get sticky on the floor if you drop it. And we use this can. It's all messy. Oh my goodness. That's not enough. For what I got, it was not enough.
Evelina, you're going crazy with it. Stop it, Mama.
Let me see. Let me help you.
You got it all over your arms, silly.
¿Ya ves? Look at Liana too. Let me see. Move your hand. I want to see if it's too.
Ah! Look it. It's all over. Let's go get your hands washed, girl.
Okay,
Don't
wait.
wipe it on your shirt. Blue, blue, blue.
Ah, you got it on my shirt. Eliana, no.
Can't eat it, girl.
Not in your mouth, baby. Remember when we were doing Easter eggs on
Yeah.
painting and she just broke it and she ate it?
Getting to that point where is that a good consistency?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's coming right off my hand.
That's good. Here, put this in. Because Evelina, I don't know why we told you to wash our hands for. She could have. We should put that in a bag after. When it's done. Like the Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Can I use it now?
Yeah.
That's like flavor.
It comes off now.
Yeah.
Love it. Let me see. Baby oil is good for you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Try a little bit first, so it will mix it up.
I was gonna sprinkle a little bit, not a lot. Just open it up in the middle.
It's gonna be less. Hold on. I was flying. More close then.
That's what I forgot to add is the baby oil in this.
You didn't add baby oil?
No, I think that's what makes it slimy.
That's too much.
No,
Is that a lot?
they're not saying much.
Here, play with this one. None in your mouth. A ver. Oh no! Oh no! It's all over you, Mama. Oh, yucky! I'm just kidding. Look at your beautiful hands. No, not in your mouth. Okay. Hey,
Can Daddy get a little piece so he can try this
Daddy's
stuff?
gonna try to see if it comes out. Okay, with that. No, not in your mouth. Look at like this, Mama. Oh, I hit my finger.
Oh, no.
No.
Yes, we're gonna add.
No.
You know what? Actually, the baby oil, baby, it has a little bit like more, like how you call it?
Slimy?
Yeah, and then you can hear the noise too.
Yeah.
Here, try it with some more. Where's the little thing at?
Slimy, crazy.
Okay, yeah, let's get to another color. We're gonna try pink on this little one right here. Okay, ready?
Evelina,
Look, you want to do blue?
Cassie, can I do this real quick, Mama?
Okay. Let them see.
I don't know if it's good to use paint.
I know, we just put a little couple drops. I'm gonna put 4 drops. 1, 2. Oh, look, this one works. Oh, that worked.
I think it changes the consistency because it's getting too thick now. Evelina, wait, Mama. It's not making it
Yours?
slimy no more.
This one is. That's why you should dry a little bit of piece. That's why you got a little bit of piece. Put that.
Can you wait, Mommy?
Baby, can you wait? Look at, use mine. Look at, there's already pink. A pink color. She wants the big one. You should put baby oil. That's what this one made.
Wait, baby, calm down.
Evelina. Look at baby. This one right here. Wow. That could be another different color.
I don't want to use too
Look
Can
at,
you wait, baby?
there's glitter in there, baby?
Yeah, but not like.
I just want a little bit.
I want to use red glue.
I want to use that one. Yeah. Look at, look at, look at, look at. We're going to use this kind of glitter. It's a pretty glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. Show them, baby, the color that you're using.
I use this red.
Since when do they need
This
the
one.
real diploma? But sure, I'll do that.
This girl's crying because she wants the slime. Okay, we're gonna put some.
Can you stop whining, please? Or I won't let you use it.
Hi, Liana. Okay. Look at Liana's. It's pink with glitter. It's pretty.
I'm gonna make yours pretty too, baby.
They know that
Oh,
the
I caught
diploma
some
you
red
get
glitter.
at school is just a copy.
Can you?
Has the stuff to put in it.
Yeah.
There's no more. She mixed it up with the blue and pink. Thank you for watching, you guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
So see you in the next vlog. Kelly, no.